And as if by magic, we have our chicken pasanda Indian restaurant style. It's taken about less than about 10 minutes, guys. Perfect. Guys, please give it a like, give it a share, comment below, let us know what you think. And again, thanks ever so much for watching our videos. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, I will be making chicken pasanda Indian restaurant style. It's very similar to the chicken korma recipe that I made. However, this is going to be chicken pasanda with a few added ingredients on there. So let's get cracking on with that. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do to get our chicken pasanda on the go, we're going to add some ghee. Just want to get that. So it's about a teaspoon of ghee on there. So the pan's on low heat because I don't want to burn the almond or the coconut. So we're going to put the almond powder on there. So we've got 1, 2, and then we've also got coconut powder. So we'll do 1, 2. Got this much left, I might as well just add this as well. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're just going to lightly fry them. So chicken pasanda is mainly more focused on the almond powder side. So about 10-20 seconds. And then what we're going to do, add some base gravy. Add our sugar as well. So again, add sugar to your taste. I've got 1, and this is a teaspoon, 2, no, 3, and and again, if you don't want to use sugar, you can replace it with other substitutes such as maybe sultanas or honey. It is going to change the flavour. However, you know, if you don't want to consume too much sugar, you know, then that's a pretty good substitute, really. Right, I'm going to get some chicken in there. So my pre-cooked chicken, I've got 3. There you go. Put that back in here. And all we're going to do now, guys, is put our base gravy in there. And my chicken is fresh, pre-cooked chicken is fresh, so it's still quite warm. So I won't need to keep it on heat for too long. So I'm just going to wait for all the coconut, almond, the base gravy, all of that to come together nicely. So I've got some single cream, so let's put some in. 1 chef spoon, 2 chef spoon. Get a little tissue. Okay. I'm just going to put it on medium heat now and let that cook. Guys, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe to our channel, and obviously the existing guys, I really appreciate you guys commenting and liking and sharing our videos. Yeah, a lot of love to you guys, so thank you so much. And yeah, don't forget to let us know which recipes you've tried and you've enjoyed. I'd love to hear back. And if there are any other new or any recipes you want us to cover, do let us know as well, and we'll put it onto it. We have got quite a few requests, so we'll start what we have started to action. This is one of them. The chicken pasanda was requested about 3 to 4 weeks ago, I guess. Right, so our chicken pasanda is nicely coming together, as you can see. What we're going to do now, guys, is add our yogurt. So I'm going to add 1, 2, there we go. About 3 tablespoons in there. And this becomes now our chicken pasanda. And again, if you want to make vegetable pasanda, lamb pasanda, prawn pasanda, whichever you want to, instead of adding the pre-cooked chicken, you would just add in the pre-cooked lamb, prawns, well, the prawn wouldn't need pre-cooked, vegetables and so forth. And then just let that come all together. Let's move the camera so you can see the curry chicken pasanda more there. Just going to wait for the sauce to go slightly thick. Make sure the almond and the coconut's nicely all broken down and it all dissolves, otherwise you're going to get that grainy flavour which you don't want. What you can do, if you want to have a little taste, just to make sure your sugar is sufficient. That's pretty cool. There's about 3 tablespoons of use, which is quite a lot to be fair, but that's how it's made. And then you've got the flavour from the yogurt coming through, which is really nice. If you've got some raisins and that, guys, add some in, gives it a nice sweet flavour. I can't actually find where I've put mine. This looks nice, guys. This is nice, and the sauce thickness is the consistency rather that I want. I can't actually find the sultanas that we've got, so if you've got any raisins, add some raisins in if you want to. You can just garnish on the top one we put on here. So here we go. Let's get this. So this is our restaurant style, BRI restaurant style chicken pasanda done. So let's put it here actually. How's that for perfect size quantity on this portion, guys? This is where the experience comes in. So what I would normally do now, we just add a couple of sultanas in there. I'm going to add a bit of, just for garnish. And then also what I'm going to do is just add a thing of cream. And as if by magic, we have our chicken pasanda Indian restaurant style. It's taken about less than about 10 minutes, guys. Perfect. So the trick to Indian restaurant cooking is making sure your base gravy is spot on, your pre-cooked chicken and so forth. So preparation takes the longest, and that's where all the flavors are. And the chicken pasanda, all of that, they just come together within minutes, as you've seen. Right, guys, please give it a like. Give it a share, comment below, let us know what you think. And again, thanks ever so much for watching our videos. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye for now.